buying insulation before measuring your door is the expensive mistake. Panel format, mounting method, and upkeep matter more than grabbing the thickest-looking kit. Choose Precut convenience, flexible rolls, or rail-mounted panels. Overall pick. Reach Barrier 3009 Garage Door Insulation Kit. I choose this for a typical single-car door when straightforward sizing matters most. You get 8 Precut panels, each measuring 4 feet by 2 feet. That format suits most standard single-car doors without turning installation into a full cutting project. Each panel combines reflective aluminum faces with a laminated bubble core. But most standard doesn't mean every door, so measure each section first. The attachment method and R-value aren't established here, which weakens the setup case. Skip it if your door needs another panel format or fully documented installation materials. For reflective, US Energy Products Double Bubble Reflective Foil. Have a 9FOOT door and want the mounting supplies included? I'd put this near the top because its 8 panels arrive pre-cut, with double-sided tape supplied. The foam sits between a white-facing layer and a reflective layer, giving the garage interior a cleaner finish. That convenience comes with a firm sizing requirement and a tape-mounted setup. So the door surface needs to suit adhesive mounting, and the tape becomes an upkeep point. Skip this kit if your door isn't compatible with the stated size or you'd rather use mechanical fasteners. For upgrade pick, US Energy Products Nasatek 2CAR Foam Insulation Kit. I'd choose this when a wide 2-car door makes fixed panels too restrictive. For foam core rolls measure 18 feet by 2 feet, so you can size material around individual door sections. The package also includes a utility knife, squeegee, double-sided tape, and instructions. Its listed R-value is 8, but the real commitment is measuring, cutting, and mounting every section yourself. It's also characterized as premium priced, while replacement cost isn't established. Skip it if you want pre-cut panels or don't want a hands-on cutting project. For reflective, US Energy Products Nasatek 1CAR Reflective Insulation Kit. This is the one I'd consider when a 9FOOT door matches the kit exactly. Its 8 lightweight panels are pre-cut, and double-sided tape comes in the package. You also get white and reflective surfaces, so there's no separate facing layer to plan. But this choice lives or dies by door sizing and tape compatibility. There's no R-value or detailed installation documentation here to settle the comparison further. Skip it if your panels don't match the stated format or adhesive mounting doesn't suit your door. For easy install, Matador Garage Door Insulation. I'd pick this when avoiding tape and separate fasteners matters more than avoiding cuts. The 8 washable white polystyrene laminate panels measure 54 inches by 20.25 inches by 1.25 inches. Each panel is trimmed and slotted between compatible garage door rails, with an R-value of 4.8. That rail-mounted design removes adhesive upkeep and leaves a clean interior-facing surface. However, custom fitting still means cutting dense foam, which can create a mess. Skip it if your rail layout can't hold slotted panels or you want a completely pre-cut installation. Reach Barrier fits standard single-car simplicity. The reflective kits suit matching 9FOOT doors, while the larger Nasatek handles cut to size 2-car projects. Matador makes sense when compatible rails beat adhesive mounting. Measure every door section, confirm rail and tape compatibility, then decide whether cutting fits your patience. Prices and kit contents change, so check before you buy. I'd start with Reach Barrier for a standard single-car door. Switch to Matador for compatible rails, or Nasatek for a 2-car cutting project. Links are in the description. Squared away. Buy by the problem, not the loudest claim. Subscribe for the next setup guide.